In the box, 6-foot replacement power cable, black, for PS4 Slim and Xbox One S, X consoles. Compatibility. Compatible with Xbox Series X, Xbox Series S and PS5, PS5 All Digital, PS4 Pro CUH-7000 series. Not compatible with PS4 Pro CUH-7000 series. Connectors. Figure -8 female connector plugs directly into device. Male connector plugs into a standard outlet. Durable design. PVC conductor, shielding, and jacket offer a durable yet flexible design. Certified for safety. All and RoHS certified for safety and peace of mind. 300 volts FT2 electrical protection. Top reviews from the United States. Power cord to the rescue. We needed a replacement power cord for the new Xbox One. I really took my time trying to find the right cable, and after many more hours spent researching the various cables and such, I determined this one would fit the bill nicely. It looks exactly like the original, has the same ports. It arrived quickly and I am very happy with my purchase. I don't think I advised you all the reason for my needing a new power cable. You see, my husband and I sold our home last year and basically we lived out of suitcases and hotels. I had grown a bit testy over the frequent packing, unpacking, and I desperately missed my fur babies. One night my husband was being irritable and he picked up a towel which had been covering the existing power cable and proceeded to throw it all away. Neither of us realized what he actually tossed at that moment until much later when he wanted to play a game and we couldn't find the power box and cable. He asked me where I packed it. When I told him it was wrapped in a towel and described the towel, my 63 retired Marine Corps husband lowered his head and mumbled, "I think I saw it. I accidentally threw it away." Having it arrive quickly probably saved my marriage. Thank you.